Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and today's weather hazard briefing is for Wednesday, September 29th. We saw a cold front worker through the area yesterday, and behind that we're going to be seeing some dry and cooler conditions for the rest of this week. And some key points we're going to look at. That cold front did pass through the region yesterday, and it brought with it some gusts to 65 miles an hour across the Snake Plain. And behind that, we're going to be seeing a significant change in both temperatures and winds. So looking at some more seasonable temperatures and light and variable winds for the remainder of the forecast period. A freeze warning is in effect today through 10 a.m. for the growing region, and main impacts on that are going to be temperatures just below 32 degrees, right about in that 28 to 32 across the Snake Plain, and some possible damage to sensible vegetation and unprotected outdoor plumbing. A reissuance is possible again for tomorrow morning. With winds looking to calm down, you might be seeing a little bit cooler conditions than what we see today, with Thursday morning looking to be the coldest morning of the week. An upper-level ridge is expected to develop throughout the remainder of the week, and with that again bringing dry and above-average temperatures. So by the end of this week, we should be looking at highs in the mid-70s. Current satellite loop shows pretty well in a closed upper-level low over the Utah-Colorado border, mainly keeping the moisture and clouds over in that area, so southeast and east of our locations. Maybe some increased cloud cover this morning over the parts of the eastern highlands and the southeast highlands, but outside of that, much of the same, and those clouds should be quickly dissipating after sunrise. Weather risk outlook matrix, not a whole lot to talk about. Again, light and variable winds, pretty seasonable temperatures for this time of year. So overall, not too bad of weather. And only the main concern as far as in the central mountains, we do have some active wildfires. As far as the containment-wise at this point, they are still producing smoke. So as far as some slight air quality concerns up there, but we'll leave that up to the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality for their deferment. Watches and warnings. Again, that freeze warning is in effect through 10 a.m. this morning, so seeing some colder temperatures, especially in that growing region. Much cooler temperatures are outside, but mainly focused on this for the sensitive plant vegetation in that area. And again, so this is the look it's from today. So high pressure does look to continue, kind of pushing out that cold front to our east. And as we look at the transition from Wednesday into Thursday, for Thursday, high pressure continues to dominate the region. And again for Friday, looks to be a little bit of a cold front working through Oregon and Washington, but keeping much of that precip north of us. So might see some increased cloudiness towards the start of Saturday with that upper level trough working across northern Idaho, but not a whole lot expected down here. Temperatures today, again across the board for the Snake River Plain, temperatures are going to be hovering right around that 28 to 32 degree mark, so just about that criteria where we're looking at for a freeze warning as opposed to a frost advisory or frost warning. So as far as looking at temperatures for today, they look to climb by about 25 degrees into the upper 50s and low 60s, so just a little bit cooler than seasonable temperatures. And for the rest of the week, we are seeing a warming trend. So as far as each day, as far as high temperatures are concerned, we'll be seeing those tick up about every single day. But on Thursday, it looks like as far as having a little bit of a still, calmer air mass especially, will be leading to temperatures dropping a little bit below what we're going to see this morning. So again, Thursday looks to be the coldest day of the week. And a quick look at your Friday. Again, temperatures, just starting to climb up again by about 5 degrees, both Thursday and Friday. So by Friday, we're seeing temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s, with lows at night beginning to creep above that territory. Maybe a little bit cooler in the eastern highlands and eastern Snake Plain, but temperatures again for Pocatello and Idaho Falls and Burley, maybe on that 36 to 40 degree threshold. And for Saturday, conditions again tend to steadily moderate throughout the weekend, and that increased cloud cover will be playing a little bit into the slowing the progression of those high temperatures continuing. So we're seeing a little bit of a stagnation as far as Friday into Saturday temperature-wise, with those increased clouds due to that upper-level trough passing over northern Idaho. And for Sunday, things again look to rebound by a few degrees, and by Sunday and the start of next week, we're looking at temperatures in the mid-70s. And at night, again, temperatures are much above that freeze criteria, so as far as the mid-30s to low 40s, so we'll be out of that for right now. An outlook at the precipitation and temperatures for that first week of October. We're going to be seeing some below normal average precipitation, so as far as that upper level ridge is going to be main contributing factor for that. And then temperatures, again, look to be slightly above normal, and we're seeing that trend indicating through the forecast. and the 8 to 14. So as far as the end of next week, there's a possibility for a few systems that may possibly interact with our area. But as far as at this point, maybe seeing some slight signals for above average precip, but for this time of year, still sticking to right around normal for right now. And as temperatures look to stay slightly elevated through that week of October, the 6th to the 12th. So as far as just maybe in the low 70s for highs for that time of year would be just above normal. And again, just wrapping up a few points today. That cold front passed through the area and is going to be bringing us the significant change in temperatures. And that freeze warning is in effect today through 10 a.m. for the growing region. And those main impacts are the frost and freeze conditions for that area. Our reissuance is likely for tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, and that looks to be the coldest day of the week. And an upper level ridge development through the rest of the week is going to be bringing dry and above average temperatures for the remainder of the forecast period. And that about wraps up your weather briefing for today. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to contact us at our email, give us a call at a phone number, or check out some information on our website. Hope you all have a wonderful day.